FPOS Group would like to show you how easy it is to have scheduled prices change for special events such as happy hour and wing night. Items can be set in the back office to have prices automatically change on different days of the week and/or times in Future POS. For this example, happy hour runs from 4 to 7 p.m. You can see the time says 6:59 when Dwayne signs in. When he goes to ring in a Corona, the price is $2. Now when Dwayne goes to sign in after 7 p.m., the price will be $3. Future POS allows up to 25 different price levels. This means you can run all sorts of specials and have them easily change price depending on when your special is. This helps simplify your reporting by not having to have multiple items in your system. In addition, using scheduled price changing also benefits your employees by not having to make sure they have rung up the right item during certain times or days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to find out ways FPOS Group saves you time and puts money back in your pocket.